Hey guys, hi again from Shanghai. We are now very close to the city center, staying on Metro Line 2, close to East Nanjing Road. Actually, we're going to the Bund area of Shanghai, which is also called in Chinese Waitang area, along the Huangpu River. And these days are Chinese national holiday days, from 1st of October to 7th of October. Very crowded Shanghai, from different parts of China and different parts of the world. Many tourists come to, for sightseeing to Shanghai. And these days it's very, very crowded. So many of you know that we live in Songjiang, but we decided to, book a hotel here and stay in the city center for a couple of days just to enjoy the holiday. And yeah, and 1 o'clock now, we're having a little lunch, in this small grocery store, which is also, they serve breakfast and lunch here. So here we go. But I hope today will be less crowded comparatively, because yesterday we arrived at 4 p.m. and it was really, really crowded. So we couldn't really enjoy it, and because it was dark, I didn't shoot any videos. So today we're going to go to the Bund first, and then we will go to one of the clothing markets for, to test some textile there. The materials. Anyway, see you guys soon. Hey guys, now we are at Pudong area of Shanghai. Basically this is the center of the city, one of the centers. And these two buildings, these two tall buildings, are the headquarters for Alipay, alternative of PayPal in China. Alipay is owned by Alibaba Group, and this is the head office, these two. And it's in Shangcheng Road in Pudong area. Very nice place. And you can see so many flags, Chinese flags. That is because these days are Chinese national holiday, and it lasts for 7 days exactly. Starts from 1st of October until 7th of October. So we're gonna take a metro, line 9, and we'll switch to line 2 to go to the Bund. So see you guys soon. So to go to the Bund, you have to change to line 2. And now we're changing at Century Avenue station. Century Avenue is the cross point between line 2, 4, and line 9, and also line 6. So here we go. We go to that direction. As you can see today, many people. Actually, this is normal in Shanghai. None of the stations are, empty in any given day. They're crowded, but these days, especially, more people. So from line 2, we're just 2 stops away. Okay. There you go. We just arrived at East Nanjing Road station. Look at the crowd. So crowded. Okay, so many people. Diana. Okay, it's so crowded today. See the crowd. All right, we're approaching the Bund, this iconic area, one of the most important tourist destinations, tourist spots in Shanghai, basically. And yeah, I'm a little worried that if I will be able to get a nice shot because of so many people, you know. It's so crowded, actually. You can see the tall buildings. See, a lot of people. So it's actually not recommended to visit this area or Shanghai during national holiday, because, you know, it's very hard to enjoy the scenery or the touristic spots, because so many people, you know, so many. Okay, we have to cross now. Okay, now we are on the platform, actually, the Bund platform. As you can see, there are so many people, you cannot really approach the riverside. It's very hard. And as I said, not recommended at all to visit this place when you know, it's a national holiday time, simply because it's very hard to enjoy the area. I mean, Okay, now we're going to the South Band Fabric Market. I hope it will be open because, as I said, nowadays is a national holiday, so I'm not sure if the marketplace is open, but we'll try. If it's open, we're gonna record. And now we're trying to get a taxi, but I don't know, I'm not sure where to get it from because the roads are kind of closed. So we'll have to find a place where we can catch a taxi. I mean, this side of the road is closed, so there's a barrier. So many people, very crowded. I mean, normal days you can catch a taxi by the side of the road, but not these days. Because of security, I guess, everywhere there's, police people, policemen. And so I guess we have to walk.